Good morning students, welcome back to our online class. So in our previous video we have started the topic the sound of music, and in this chapter we have two parts. The first part is about the Evelyn Glyn listen to the sound without hearing it, and the next part is the sound of music's next second part one is the Shehnai of Bismillah Khan. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to read about the struggle and we can say the biography of the Bismillah Khan. Let's see. So this chapter very first starts with the Aurangzeb, okay, and the Pungi. Have you heard the name of Pungi? It's a kind of the musical instrument, okay. This is, you can see the picture, this is known as the Pungi. Now Pungi was banned and then revived. Now what happened? Emperor Aurangzeb had banned the playing of a musical instrument called Pungi in the royal residence because it had shrill, unpleasant sound. Okay, now Aurangzeb didn't like the Pungi. Okay, iska jo music ka jo sound tha, it was totally unpleasant and shrill. So he banned the Pungi in his royal court. Now a barber of a family, professional musicians decided to improve the tonal quality of Pungi, and he played the improved instrument before royalty and everyone was impressed. Now there was a barber, okay, in the royal court, and he was decided to improve the tonal quality of the Pungi, and then he played that Pungi, means improved Pungi in front of the royal courts, jitne bhi jahan pe courtiers the in front of all the courtiers, and they all were totally impressed. Now the instrument had to be given a new name. As the story goes, since it was first played in the Shah's chambers and was played by a Nai, that is barber, and the instrument was named as Shehnai. So very first you can see in this picture, this is the Pungi, and it is modified by a person, that is Nai, a barber, and उसने उसको थोड़ा सा ब्रॉड किया, नैरो किया, ओके, और उसमें बहुत सारे होल किए, और फिर उसको म्यूज़िक जो कोर्ट्स जा था, जो शाह का जो कोर्ट था औरंगज़ेब, वहाँ सब लोगों के सामने उसको बजाया था. सो एवरीवन वाज टोटली इम्प्रेस्ड, दे वर कम्प्लीटली इम्प्रेस्ड, और उसकी जो टोन थी म्यूज़िक की, जो शहनाई जो थी, उससे इम्प्रेस्ड हो गए थे. नाउ उसका नाम कैसे हुआ था, हाउ द नेम जो था वो कैसे हुआ था. सो इट वॉज द प्लेड बाय अ नाई, ओके, दैट इज़ अ बार्बर इन फ्रंट ऑफ शाह. जो शाह जो होते हैं ना, जैसे औरंगजेब शाह औरंगजेब, तो उनके सामने. सो डैट इज़ शाह एंड नाई, तो डैट इज़ उसको मॉडिफाई करके बनाया शहनाई. सो ऐसे इसका नाम हुआ था शहनाई, बिकॉज इट वॉज प्लेड बाय अ बार्बर इन फ्रंट ऑफ शाह. अंडरस्टूड? Now Ustad Bismillah Khan brought Shehnai to the classical stage. Now after a time, बहुत टाइम बाद में, when जब बिस्मिल्लाह खान थे, उन्होंने इसको he took the Shehnai to the international platform, उसको वहाँ लेके गए थे. The sound of the Shehnai began to be considered auspicious. Now the word auspicious means good, okay, बहुत ही शुभ माना जाता है, good omen, okay. Now the sound of Shehnai is considered to be very auspicious. Now, and for this reason it is still played in temples. For this reason, because we considered the sound of the Shehnai is auspicious, that's why it's still played in the temples and is an inseparable component of any North Indian wedding. So that's why North India में जितनी wedding होती है, वहाँ पे ये जो शहनाई जो होती है उसको considered किया जाता है as a good omen की तरह, because the sound of Shehnai is auspicious. Now in the past, Shehnai was a part of the Naubat or traditional ensemble. Ensemble means a group of 9 instruments found at royal court. अब देखो पास्ट में जो एक टाइम हुआ करता था, वहाँ पे 9 जेम्स हुआ करते थे, रॉयल कोर्ट्स हुआ करता था. सो देयर वाज, इट वाज अ पार्ट ऑफ द नौबत. The credit goes to Ustad Bismillah Khan because he took the Shehnai to the international platform. Okay, otherwise Shehnai को कोई जानता भी नहीं था. जो म्यूज़िक था ठीक है, और नॉर्मली जो लोग बजाते थे, but he took to the different platform. Now music was in Bismillah Khan's blood. How? Let's see. Bismillah belongs to a well-known family of musician from Bihar. Okay, totally उनकी family थी. They all were musician in Bihar. His grandfather, father, and other paternal ancestors were also great Shehnai players. All the family members are totally Shehnai players. Now Bismillah was fascinated at watching his uncle's practice. Okay, when he was a young child, he was totally fascinated by his uncle's practice, the Shehnai. Then he started accompanying his uncle Ali Bucks. Okay, then he joined his uncle, okay, in practicing, and slowly he started getting lessons in playing the instrument and would sit practicing. और आफ्टर डैट वो प्रैक्टिस करना स्टार्ट हो गए थे, उनके साथ में बैठ के प्रैक्टिस किया करते थे थ्रू आउट द डे. ओके, होल डे ही वॉज डूइंग द प्रैक्टिस ऑन प्रैक्टिस. नाउ एट द नियर द बैंक ऑफ रिवर गंगा, द फ्लोइंग वाटर ऑफ द गंगा इंस्पायर्ड हिम टू पुट टुगेदर एंड क्रिएट राग्स that were earlier considered to be beyond the range of the Shehnai. Okay, now what happened, जो बिस्मिल्लाह खान थे he always do practice. कहाँ प्रैक्टिस करते हैं ये? हमेशा at the bank of the river गंगा, जो बनारस जो था उसके किनारे पे जो नदी के पास में जाके वो प्रैक्टिस किया करते थे. बिकॉज ही थिंक वो ये मानते हैं कि वहाँ उनको म्यूज़िक क्रिएट होता है जब वो बैठते हैं उस जगह पे एट द बैंक ऑफ द रिवर. ही फाउंड सो पीस एंड काम देयर, सो वो उसको राग क्रिएट करने में हेल्प करते हैं. Now the bright future of Bismillah Khan. Okay, about the future of the Bismillah Khan. With the opening of the All India Radio in Lucknow in 1938 came Bismillah's big break. Okay, जब 1938 में there was the when opening of All India Radio in the Lucknow, then Bismillah Khan got a big break. How? He soon became an often heard Shehnai player on radio. Now, when India gained independence on 15th August 1947, Bismillah Khan became the first Indian to greet the nation with his Shehnai. Okay, जब ऑल इंडिया रेडियो जब स्टार्ट हुआ था तो वहाँ पे मोस्टली ऑफन उनके प्रोग्राम जो होते थे वहाँ पे एयर पे वहाँ पे टेलीकास्ट वहाँ किए जाते थे. नाउ व्हाट हैपन, जब 15 August 1947 when India got the independence, so ही वॉज द फर्स्ट पर्सन टू ग्रीट द नेशन. वहाँ पे जो रेड फोर्ट था वहाँ पे उन्होंने शहनाई को प्ले किया था. नाउ अबाउट द फिल्म डायरेक्टर. ओके, फिल्म इंडस्ट्री. नाउ द फिल्म डायरेक्टर विजय भट्ट. ओके, दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ विजय भट्ट. He was so impressed after hearing him means Bismillah Khan, play at the festival that named a film after his instrument called Goonj Uthi Shehnai. Now he was totally impressed by the music of Shehnai which Bismillah Khan played. So he named a film after that instrument called Goonj Uthi Shehnai. Now a renowned musician and a true Indian. Now what happened, Bismillah Khan became the first Indian to be invited to perform at the prestigious Lincoln Center Hall in USA. Okay, he was invited to perform to concert, live concert जो programs होते थे. So he was invited to USA at the Lincoln Center Hall. National awards like the Padam Shri, the Padam Bhushan and the Padam Vibhushans were conferred to him. Okay, so बहुत सारे उनको awards जो थे, he was totally बहुत सारे awardee रह चुके हैं, बहुत सारे awards उनके पास में थे. Now in 2011 he was awarded with India's highest civilian award, that is the Bharat Ratna. He is awardee of Bharat Ratna. Despite travelling so many countries, he was exceedingly fond of Banaras and Damrao. Now what happened, जो बनारस जो था, दमराव था, it was the native place of Ustad Bismillah Khan. So he got an offer to perform and to create open an college at the USA, but उन्होंने वहाँ पे मना कर दिया था because he want to be there. वहाँ पे रहना चाहते थे कि मुझे वहीं पे रहना है, बनारस में रहना है, I don't want to quit, left this place. Now they remain for him the most wonderful towns of the world. Okay, जब बाहर जब मोस्टली हम लोगों को जब चांस मिलती है कि हम कहीं बाहर आके परफॉर्म करें, so we are so excited to go and to the foreign countries. Now but Bismillah Khan, उन्होंने उनको रिजेक्ट कर दिया था, जो उनको मिला था कि आपको वहाँ के परफॉर्म करना है लिंकन हॉल में, और वहीं अपनी कॉलेज जो है हम आपको बना के देंगे पूरा। तब उन्होंने ये बोला था कि नो, आई वांट मुझे यहाँ पे बनारस जो है उसके घाट मुझे नहीं मिलेंगे, जो बिल्डिंग्स जो टेम्पल्स हैं वो मुझे नहीं मिलेंगे। सो हिज प्यूपिल जो था, उनका जो प्यूपिल था, उन्होंने उसको बोला था कि ओके डजेंट मैटर, मैं आपके लिए वहाँ पे एक आर्किटेक्ट जो है वो ऐसी बिल्डिंग वहाँ पे क्रिएट कर दूंगा, सो आप वहाँ आके परफॉर्म करना और वहीं पे प्रैक्टिस करना। देन ही सेड कि क्या तुम वहाँ पे गंगा रिवर को ला सकते हो, कैन यू ब्रिंग द गंगा रिवर टू द अमेरिका। सो इट shows that he is totally devoted to our country India. So he even refused a position in America, saying that he cannot find the Ganga there. Understood कि वहाँ पे उनको गंगा नहीं मिलेगी। Whenever he was traveling abroad, his heart kept aching for his homeland. Okay, as we have also, हम कहीं भी चले जाएंगे for 10 days 15 days, after that जो हमारी native place है हम उसको मिस करेंगे। So your chapter is completed here. So in this chapter we have two parts, Evelyn Dean and about the Shanai of Bismillah Khan. Thank you students.